episode 4, I Ghana SMTVGH. Message would like a comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Episode 4, Endra, and yet say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, CSOs. CSOs, I say CSO, I mean civil service organizations. And I say civil service organizations. Most of the time, CSOs now they don't really the private sector achievers, right? And they and also they are there also to keep government in check. They are also there to advise government on policies and policy directions. Now, the intriguing thing is that these CSOs under 8 years of NPP, under Akufo-Addo government now, were allowed to thrive, Imanimu, and the others would also how many CSOs. Sometimes disagree with government positions or policies via government. I remember I said Edu watch muni na Kasatia free senior high school. Edu watch Kasatia free senior high school. Policy over 4 million Ghanaians to go through senior high school education for free. But it took the persistence and the visionary mindset of Akufo-Addo to say, no, as for when day, no one, I will not allow anybody to discourage me. Right? But CSOs are not always that bad. Now, what we have seen is such CSOs that were very, very vocal under MPP, that knew it all, that were always there, and person advising every step of the way. Akufo-Addo no. And then under John Dramani Mahama, Omoyedin. And try to say, oh, John Mahama, His Excellency. And I say, okay, maybe the opportunity has come for them to tell the president to his face, say, or your failure or your incompetence, because in Sema okay, promises are making and no sooner Ghana afford to abandon. He's not fulfilling anything. He has gone to sleep. Those are the ways CSO must tell politicians the truth. But strangely, Endrano, question class CSO for when won't me bisa. Now the first thing I mean say, Emma men who say, oh, sa meeting need fanful and then say CSOs are more invite you. More invite you money now. Debbie, why them say we are neutral, yeah invite you. Why them say Ebia MPP need be woman, yeah invite you. And now your CSOs that will sing the praises of the government. And me who listen no pen say already agenda. They want to deceive Ghanaians, right? Now from that meeting, say allegedly, Obi Bia ya invited to some meeting biano. Omoji 2 billion cedis. 2 billion, million, 2 billion cedis, old cedis. What about new currency number 200,000 Ghana cedis? Each and every one of them that went to the meeting. That is what we are hearing allegedly. And after hearing the scar, I can say, and I say, that is why they went and they couldn't talk. Question crowd won't me be so man penny no. CSO4 et me tina ho ma man penny catch on say onu John Mahama de air trumu bill and any priority. And the CSOs were there quiet for the president to make that statement. CSO4 now mukasa Akufo-Addo signing. It can only be said they have taken money. And yes, sir, somebody will have gotten up to ask the man the question. Oh, can I see CSOs? They say here, everything is gone to wire. It's gone down the drain. Under John Dramani Mahama. Oh. Before then, Muamunim say, me the assembly betu money about your studio. Person your movie free. We me single room na meet you. Me single room. The mpano ani and I made a corner we mo every year we juma go ne nam. And sometimes also go for omo around almost over MPP ni. And it's not really too good. Can say my landlord say to me sorry na or catch me say or NDC ni rent not with me too much anyhow because me MPP ni India na media hands here ejuma ni India enti na yesi na crofo bi so o person be join kana sem no na yem boa MPP right but yeah omutumi ba me dem de bia sa
asofo aza de mo bedienti money civil society organization any journalists are more Ghana and na mo da government payroll so and then nansa mokwa akosia no mokwa akode it is alleged say mokode 200,000 Ghana cedis 2 billion old currency sika nene nansa omukọ sa civil society organization meeting omukọ ji yere no 200,000 Ghana cedis I get 2 billion old currency 2 billion and omukọ ji ye the number of CSOs are a meeting number of asofo a meeting never tamsi cocoa bags do as sikana moko spend here just 2 hours meeting and kabetimi ato never teachers do any nurse do kasa sikano ebetimi etio mo eka Mahama no I said what the Ghana of one air to dame o tuatua ne to akwa me say me kroma asante atim konogo mini morning show presenter our that government payroll so every month be 5,000 Ghana cedis can it sika no 50 million and a oje every NDC aban we mu it is any power ebetena sia sebi John Mahama akorepuri ma me kra 5,000 Ghana cedis a month obeden na waka John Mahama sika na asisi wodibu oman no wodi bi epe ne dachi edibi etuatua ne to edibi etu amanyina every the same background. My father was a Muslim, so I was born in a Muslim community. Yatumidin Muslimi, and I'm in here, and I'm member Samidin, and I'm a called Methodist. Nansanya John Mahama last year 2025, I think 1st July, I acquired National Thanksgiving and Prayer one day no. And I must say, Methodist, they say, must I call back to my roots. As I say, must I go from in Kramodia, Metuba, Mehrometo, I'm the Mama Ebo from. Because who said, Christo ni be ni Ghana, I'll bet me a sign LGBTQ plus be ni da. So for be ni Ghana, I'll bet me a sign LGBT plus be no da. Aji Muslim mini. Adi Islam ni kramoni and the bet me assign LGBTQ plus burden because so for now kramoni no be chief imam anan no me man no sin kramoni no be chief imam anan 1st July 2025 our National Praise and Thanksgiving Day na sin akwa ono nko ni nipa otumi sebre ne sen ete ne tachire ma eka no kre ekire John Mahama ekwan na wode former chief justice efaso no so for bia ntimi anka no kre and ho na me kon do se me Muslim. Oh, here, Dr. Baumia 2024. Or kind of straight. So, on the dear, on support gay and lesbian. It's how credible Dr. Baumia about 2029 or so in a Kramonin Kwan and a bit me assign LGBTQ plus. Na Ababa Yamra, it's media. More now, 24-hour economy, Edino. Men and Akosia de Munama who bread fool. And that fool yatum. Inti uko kromu a aban papa aba otena karimu a okase yato
Chako salameda ase bima wo 2 hours kura wonga wanse movie me kwasa aba edum pizet
Again, I got 2 minutes na menti for me na.
Pepa to bi se adum
Adum please, I got
adum so
2 minutes per. Okay, I can make some George and kakra. O free na. Na me tell mu nyina na before I kasa na. my down kakra mpancheme and then 20 years I may should me mammy or me baby as I said
Oh, me ma wo ya ko.
in said I mirror when the public says but anyway you know like holiness Unia me you know what I mean you must know how you yeah what did you some George well who said is looked at that any Indian port will you sa kwasi ampeni na or sa or no one cry then price was go plam na me Ghana for the wa be sala I say wa da akoye sa registration of Ghana holiday na wan kasa ojigirije because ono na kase na kan ono so no that time na yes registration no say o Stone Academy mo me yanso enche ne Stone Academy no yan sisi ya bo mu degree afi mi ro me fa no nto na yen kwa sofofo na mo Ghana abosomofo na mo Ghana ho na omo ye propaganda bi tro ma do Mahama ne omo ye demonstration for demonstration say ya na Akufo-Addo na o de LGBT also one sign you know omo criticize na kan zin bebre fa na do ni MPP aba ho na ne omo ye din Yakopon obi twa omo nyina ka se de omo nyuma sitie Bible ne kura omo na omo ye nya atwom ti Ghana omo mpɛ de kura kan na Yakopon obe to omo so sa ebe ato omo so wire sa so foforo mu Ghana ho obi ti se ayi akoya ni awo be se ne trans kakra se ekoko bottom sa ayi bla fa be se kabu sa papa no kabu ne trans kakra se ekoko bottom Kofi Odo de tin se de wo wafe no ana omo ka ho nya atwom so foforo am gu Ghana ho no mo adem pone mo bran be pone mo kaka be de mo ti no John Mahama de oye bia na enye bia bia eye okay mo yen kan wasem betakun fo de ne ma omia de ye be ka ho wasem mu yi nipa boni fo ye nya atwom Ghana so foforo ni bi no enye mu nyina mu papa aboni fo ne wo mu no Yakopon obi tua mo ka se de mo nyuma sitie mu ti mo de mo na mo ma Ghana nkoso de ne Ghana nkola sebe ye ne omo abrabo agba sesa na omo ti ho no mu ane omo abrabo ne nko ye mo na mo sa na mani na ide aba mu ka ho mu ti mo de mu ye nya atwom mu yafo ne nyam na Yakopon wote so ohwe ye nyina dwuma na mo de majato mo se mo nyame dwuma na nso no mo ntimi empty mo sen kalo kore nche nipa na ba mo nya atwom asofofo amafu do hwe na mo ti Ghana ho Yakopon obetue mo kase mo nyuma sitie akuya me dase amko me dwuma si me wa me dase
Okay, men so me da se ima. Edum yanko.
Mame, medase, yamishira, any akonya odi amami. Na mechia ubi bia so our platform yi so any wana otie ye nyina Yakopon shiro bi bia. Na kakra me start free galamsey sema na ye kana masade ababe wi asofofo yi so. Na ene de ebi adwo Mahama ene ye papa ye kansen adwunasare ebi be form ho pa. Ene yete Ghana ama John Dramani Mahama ewo opposition or ka chire Ghana fo nyina ene ye kan sensa Jata George ene galamsey yensuo ene ye kwaye yensa ase nyina na sisi aye echese yenhu de sisi yenhu de oye minister yenhu de oye president ane yenhu de enti sisi Ghana kro no obi anhweso bio Ghana kuro na ekuta ye no sisi ye ni kamafo ye ni dimafo ye nya enkwasiafo na ababedi ye so ye nya enkwasiafo ade yakoto abama kwasia president ani yakoyi enkwasiafo ministers ana o maba be ka ho ana nkwasia mamuo na o mode abetem o man Ghana mu ana wo mubu okaka ne ye to say na enkwafo bi de o mudidi atem me de medi atem na mo wi ana maba betam me akọ cause me kura me baby am da na wo so ebi anaja mokọ anamakọtirim ebi nso ana ho no nso so de isoasen me ho nso kakra na ja ye hu de mbaye hwe ene galamsey ese ye nso se ye kwaye ye papa John Dramani Mahama nya mante platform ko gina so a wo ka kire ye pise galamsey ye ebo am economy gina so because ye nya gold free ho na wonim se ye nya gold free ho na wo ka kire na nadu danko Akufo-Addo say ono oma state of emergency chese na nadu de mo bu na nadu se ono de onye Ghana ni onye nipa emoja ni ni mu enye nipa na wo no ono de ya nwuno na nadu ɛne ɛde ne bɛsi ɔman Ghana mu enti na ɛsɛ mutimi ka mu wɔ kon kwasa mu ka deɛ mobɛka bi akyerɛ na Nado Dankwa Akufo-Addo na si yɛbɛka mo abɛka kyerɛ sɛ an mo de IP address ɛne nam mo de bɛkye yɛn mo famila yɛte fie yɛtwɛn mo ɛmoa president fo amaba bɛdi ɔman we so ɛmoa ministers fo amaba bɛdi ɔman we so ɛgyegyentwefo a mo ni tire na mo ni